Hello everyone. If you missed the Not Coin and Dogs Coin airdrops, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to tell you about another big airdrop similar to Dogs Coin. So let's get started. First, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please make sure to subscribe. Now let's dive in. The name of this airdrop is Cat's Coin. It's very similar to Dogs Coin. I've provided the link to this airdrop in the description below. Click on the link and it will open in your Telegram app. Once you're there, click the Start button. After that, tap the Play Now button. Then again, tap the Start button. And finally, tap the Wow, Let's Go button. The bot will then calculate your Telegram age. Based on your Telegram age, you will receive some CATS tokens. You can also earn CATS tokens by completing simple tasks. Here's an example. Tap to open a task. A pop-up will appear. Click the Start button. Now wait for 5 seconds, then close it. At the bottom, click the CATS up arrow, and you'll see that 50 CATS tokens have been added to your task section. There are more tasks you can complete. For example, there is a task to join the MemeFi community. Tap the Join button, and the MemeFi community Telegram channel will open. Tap the Join button. In my case, I've already joined this channel, so let's go back to the CATS airdrop and click the Check button. If it shows that the task is not completed, tap the Join button again and make sure to unmute the channel. Then go back to the CATS airdrop and click the Check button again. Now our task is complete. There are multiple tasks you can complete, so scroll down to see them. One of the tasks is to connect your Bitget wallet. If you haven't created a Bitget wallet yet, you can create one. To complete this task, tap the Complete button. If you haven't downloaded the Bitget wallet, tap the Open button to download it. After you download it, go back and check that the task is complete. Next, click the Join button and join the Bitget Telegram community. If you haven't joined the Bitget community, don't worry. Go back to the CATS airdrop and check that the task is complete. Now, let's connect our Bitget wallet. Tap the Bitget icon and it will redirect you to the Bitget wallet. Tap the Approve button. Once it's connected, go back to the CATS airdrop Telegram chat and you will see that our Telegram connection is successful. You can also check the leaderboard to see who is in the first, second, and other positions. There's also a Friends section. If you invite any friends, you'll get more CATS tokens. That's all for this airdrop task. If you follow all my instructions, you will complete all the tasks. The CATS token will be listed soon, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. Once the CATS token is listed, I will make another video on how you can sell your CATS token. Please give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.